I'm Tashana, the coordinator of the virtual learning communities. Let's take a quick glimpse into one of our products that you can utilize to support your teachers in your learning community. That is our VLCs. They are facilitated by a consultant. They contain about 25 hours of content to be spread over 5 weeks. And it is also self-paced to meet the needs of the participants, whether they're choosing to engage during their lunch period or planning time, or if they choose to engage after school in the evening, and even on weekends. It's self-paced, so they're able to have that flexibility and choice. To learn more about our virtual learning communities and the courses we have to offer, you can visit our VLC website and see a listing of all of the courses that we have here at IDE. You will also see that the courses are offered all year round in the fall session, spring session, winter session, as well as in the summer session. Once a participant enrolls and registers for the course, they are going to receive a welcome email containing all of the necessary information that they need to get started and to be successful over the course of 5 weeks. That welcome email will also contain a link to their VLC website for the specific course that they have enrolled in. On the website, enrollees will find that there's a welcome message containing some more insights into what to expect over the next 5 weeks with their specific course, as well as all 5 activity lists that they have access to right away. In each activity list, they will have required activities, which they're required to complete, some choice activities where they have some choice and option in how they complete it, and then also a few optional activities that they can complete in order to deepen their understanding, or if they just have some extra time at the end as well. Each of the activity lists are structured in the same way, and the VLCs are designed to be an immersive experience for educators so that they can take what they're learning and how they're learning, and they can apply it right away in their own learning environment in order to maximize the success and the efficacy for their students and the students in their learning environment. At the very end of the course, teachers will receive a certificate of completion to verify that they have successfully completed the course in the time frame that was allotted. If you are interested in having teachers enroll in our VLC courses, we are selling a 10-pack of seats right now for $4,950. You can visit our VLC website to get more information at edquidity.com/VLC, or you can reach out to Nick at solutions@edquidity.com. Thank you so much, and I do hope to see you in one of our VLC courses.